Hello friends, Ridoy back with another session. This time I'm show you the unboxing of trimmer of Philips, and I ordered this on 18th of October, but to the 20th of October I got this one, and I show you the product and here is I show you the product in front of you. What is the packaging and what you have to got in the box. And here is the trimmer come out, and the price of the trimmer I got this one is rupees 1500, and now it is price around 1750 only. The model number is Philips Pro Skin Advanced Trimmer, blade trimmer series 3000, and model number is QT4011. And this one is the USP of this trimmer is this has the titanium blades coating and the pure steel blade, and the range of this trimmer is up to 0.5 millimeter to 10 millimeter. You can see this, and 20 lock in length settings. You can adjust this one. I will show you discuss, and here is overview the how to use. This is a waterproof one and skin friendly trimmer, and the 0.5, and you have to charge this trimmer for only for 1 hour, and you will get the output from this trimmer 90 minutes. That is massive, and this has the warranty guarantee is 2 years guarantee. But if you register this one with a Philips website, and you will get a 1 year extended warranty. So without further delay, I will show you the box content of this product, and let's get started. Here I will show you. So I hope I show. Just hold on. Here I open the box and show you the box content, what you are actually get in this box, and nothing else. Here is the important information, how to use or something maybe, or what's is that, and I will show you the, I don't know in which language is this, English first, and I'll show you the, I don't know, must be an information one. And this is the purchase guarantee card. You have to, this is the guarantee card, you can see this, and I will show you the 1 year. This one I register your shaver and the philips.com, and you get 1 year additional guarantee. I will show you the separate, I will make a separate video how to register this with the Philips and how to claim this one. So I will in the box there is a pouch, you have to carry this one, and here is the trimmer come out itself, and the trimmer looks very good and promising one. I will show you the, and the weight must be a 150 to 200 grams, or I will show you what you are actually get. This one is the, here is washing brush. You have to wash this. Here you have to open this one, and you have to use this one to wash this one. Okay, I will show you. Okay, aside, and here is the nothing else. Here is the power adapter. You have to charge this with your, insert the plug, and you have to insert this type of thing, and okay, just and put it on the power consumption. And here is the one, I don't know what is the, and here is the titanium coated. I will show you the edge. This one is the titanium coated, and I will show you how to use this one, and I will show box content, what you actually get. Product code something at the maximum it price 2359, and here I show you the what you actually get in the box content, and show you product description is blade trimmer. The wattage is 5.5, and voltage you have to need 140 volt for the voltage. Frequency is 50 to 60 Hz. This is the normal range of Indian. Month of year 8/2016. Name, address, the something, and what is you actually get in the box I don't know. Tremble something easy to get, or anything else. There is nothing mentioned what you actually get in the box, and in the box you have the content. You have to use this one, how to use this one. You can, this one you can choose. You have to charge this for 1 hour, and you will get an output of 90 minutes, and you have to just adjust the comp, and by which you have to just and I below mention the buying links. You can use this link and help me to do more social activity and help my channel and help me to do more social activity regarding animal and cruelty purposes. And thank you so much for watching this. Please take care. Bye bye, and catch you soon.